There is an offer on the, from the prosecution that if you plead to a double parking, that, both cases will be dismissed. It'll be a $250 ticket. Are you interested in doing that, or do you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney, Mr. Williams?
Yes, because I don't know what both tickets are. I only had one ticket.
One's an open intoxicant and the other one is a parental responsibility.
They said that was already throughout. I got the paperwork right here.
Do you know anything about that, Mr. Kaplan? I have both files. That's not,
There we go.
No, Your Honor, I don't know anything about it being thrown out.
well, I mean, the offer is that it was from March of this year and for Destiny. And then,
Yeah.
and then this is the open intoxicants in a vehicle was from April of 2017. Do you want to talk, Ms. Belcher, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with them. Did you hear what I said, that it's double parking?
Yep.
You know what? Hang on a second.
Last-
We make more than one breakout room.
We don't miss Miss Jackie. You have been missed.
Thank you.
Mr. Williams, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the attorney. All I want you to do is hit join, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and hit join. Mr. Friedman, what case are you on?
I am Tamikia.
How you doing? Nice to
Honor,
meet you.
I'm on Robin Carver. Sorry.
No, I'm waiting to meet with someone.
Maybe.
Hey, I'm Gary with RSL Lattice.
He indicated to me that he's in the waiting room.
I'm looking. And he's not. What name is, unless he's using a different last name,
I'm asking him right now, Judge. Thank you.
I'm admitting everybody that's in the waiting room and that name's not on the list. So. Morning, Heather. Moving on, Miss Moore. Can you hear me, Miss Moore? Let's try Miss McGinty. Miss McGinty, can you hear me?
Hello, Judge.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, this is Becky McGinity.
Yep, I got you. Let me pull your file. Hang on one second. Miss McGinty, I have an offer from the prosecutor that if you plead guilty to the trespass, they'll defer it for a year. It's $250 in costs and the case will be dismissed. Are you interested in taking that plea, or do you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney?
Yeah. What does that mean, defer for a year?
It means no trouble for a year and it's dismissed.
No trouble.
Yeah, don't get in trouble and it'll be dismissed. You pay the $250, don't get in trouble and it's dismissed.
Okay, I'll take that.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes.
Is it true that on August the 10th, you were in the city of Romulus and you were on property that didn't belong to you and you didn't have the owner's permission?
I was on the property. It did not belong to me. The gentleman that resides in that home, Sean Reed, knew that I was on my way there.
Mr. Kaplan, I'm going to take it as a no contest instead.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, do you need time to pay the $250?
Yeah, I actually would like to be on a payment plan if I could.
Can you do $50 a month?
Yes.
Let me check out here. I have a phone number for you of 248-278-2616. Is that correct?
No, that should be updated.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, give me just 1 second.
Yep.
It's 313
Mm-hmm.
826 4075.
And what's your email?
It's B and then my last name, the number 7 at Gmail.
Perfect. All right, we will send you a payment plan, make the payments, don't get in any trouble, and it'll be dismissed in a year. Actually, you know that you have a pre-trial, you have a payment due of $50. They'll roll it into the other payment plan.
Yeah, I spoke with a rep from your company and she said that if I get any more charges, just to call her and let her know and she will wrap everything together.
And you know that you have a pre-trial in January too, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, perfect. All right, you're all set for today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
People versus Sonia Moore. Miss Moore, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, hang on, let me pull your file.
Okay.
Miss Moore, I have a offer from the prosecution that, actually that there is no offer that they're not offering to reduce the false info to police. You plead guilty to it. It's a $245 ticket. You can talk to the court-appointed attorney if you want to,
Okay.
or you can plead to it.
Okay. I would like to talk to an attorney about that one.
Okay, hang out for just a minute, and she's in a breakout room with somebody else.
Okay.
Judge, if I may, that's my client is under the name Sean Massino.
Yeah, there isn't anybody in here. Do you see that? Oh, no, there he is. Okay. And what's his, what is his real, which case is it?
Robin Carver, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. Got it. People versus Robin Carver.
Have a good Thanksgiving.
Oh, wonderful, birthday too.
Oh, happy birthday.
Miss Moore, you have to mute yourself, please.
Yes,
Miss Moore,
I'm sorry.
please mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Yeah.
Mr. Friedman,
Yes, Your Honor. My
have
name
you
is
talked to Mr. Kaplan?
I have, Judge.
And what do
Mr. Kaplan's offered my client a plea agreement by which he'd plead guilty to operating while visibly impaired, and there'd be a dismissal of the original charge of BAC .17 or more and gun possession under the influence.
Correct. And is he interested in taking that?
Yes, Judge.
Do you understand, Mr. Carver, that by pleading guilty to this added count that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice rights form?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it true that on or about January the 31st of this year, you were in the city of Romulus and you had consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel of the vehicle that you were driving?
Yes, Your Honor.
As a result of your consumption of alcohol, your ability to drive was impaired?
Yes, Your Honor.
You took a breathalyzer and blew above the legal limit?
Yes.
Do you understand this plea?
Yes, I do.
And is it voluntary?
100%.
Anybody promise you or threaten you to get you to plead guilty in this matter?
No, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea. I'm going to set it over for a pre-sentence investigation and a sentencing. Is your cell phone number 734-203-9651?
Yes, Your Honor.
And can I get an email address for you?
Yes. The letter R, the letter J, CARVER313 @gmail.com.
RJ Carver 313 at Yahoo.
Gmail.
Oh, Gmail. I apologize. Probation will be sending you paperwork. Make sure you fill it out and return it to them within 14 days, and then we'll set it up for sentencing. Mr. Friedman, do I have your appearance on the file?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, I do. Then she will be in contact with you to verify a sentencing date. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You guys have a great day.
Ms. Belcher, did you talk to Mr. Williams?
I did, Your Honor. I did look at the ROA and confirm that the parental case was dismissed.
Oh, then I have no idea. It doesn't, okay. Well, it's still the open-end taxes.
Right.
The offer is the,
And I explained that to him. I did discuss the plea offer. He is wanting to take advantage of that plea offer. But as far as the fine amount, we wanted to bring to Your Honor's attention the fact that he is unemployed. He was laid off from Wendy's. He's only collecting very limited income every 2 weeks on unemployment. It's like $120-something biweekly. So we would just ask that the fine amount be reduced.
what are you asking for?
Your Honor would consider 200.
I'll do $200. Does he want a payment plan? What do you?
Mr. Williams, I believe you said you wanted a payment plan if we were able to get it reduced, correct?
Yes,
Can you do $50 a month?
yes,
I'll take the double parking, 250 a month. Is your cell phone number 313-454-7937?
yes,
And is your email address williamsdarius425@gmail.com?
yes.
We'll send you a payment plan. You're all set.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set, Mr. Williams. Thank you, Ms. Belcher. I have Sonia Moore, who is charged with false info. There's no offer except for her to plead straight up. She wanted to talk to you.
Certainly. Thank you, Judge. I'll go back in the breakout room.
Ms. Moore, are you there? Ms. Moore?
I am. I'm
Okay,
here.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Ms. Belcher, you should be able to go back into breakout room 1.
I can.
Okay, then go ahead and do that. And all you have to do is hit join, Ms. Moore.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Kablish on the Michelle Qualls case. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, I got you. Sorry. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This matter was set for a surety show cause. What's going on with this?
We have started looking for her. We have not got in contact with her yet or been able to locate her. So we would just like to request an additional 30 days if possible.
Okay, Heather, can we make a notation to I don't know what the 30 days is, but they'll put it out somewhere and send you another notice. All right, Heather? Oh, I got you, no, Heather, with verifying physical addresses too. Sorry about that. All right, Ms. Keflesh, you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Yep, you too. Ms. Wade.
Yes.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Pretty good. Let me pull your file. Hang on a second.
Your Honor, I believe she's with Ms. Belcher as well.
Oh, okay. Did you already talk to Ms. Belcher?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then we'll wait for her to get out of the breakout room. Person that says Christine, what's your last name?
Wells.
Wells, did you say?
Yeah.
Got it. You talked to Miss Belcher also, Miss Wells?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just hang out. Go ahead and mute yourself again and then hang out and we'll get to you. Mr. Cipriani.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. I know I saw your file and now I don't know what happened with it. Hang on a second.
Sure.
Oh, Mr. Cipriano, we're waiting on Mr. Mays, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then just mute yourself and hang out till he shows up.
Okay.
And the individual whose last name is Amos, Yanam Amos.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Miss Amos. I don't have your name on my docket. Are you somebody else? Is your last name something else other than, oh, no, I do. I see you. Never mind. I'm wrong. Hang on just a second. All right, Miss Amos, I have an offer from the prosecutor. Actually, it looks like if you plead to one count of assault and battery, that the other count will be dismissed. Did you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney, or have you already? It doesn't look like you have.
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll put you in line. Just hang out for a few minutes, and as soon as I get her, we'll do your case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We have Mr. Hurt joining us. Did you say, Mr. Kaplan, that was it Robinson Henderson? That's the adjournment?
That's what I believe after speaking with Ms. Belcher
Yeah,
yesterday.
I'll ask her because I'll give it the actually Heather, no, she didn't pull it. I thought it was pulled. I think the next date is going to be I'm trying to look. I think it's January 14th.
Yeah, Your Honor, that's what I have in my calendar as well.
So I'll let her. Heather, do you have a time for January 14th for the Robinson Henderson case, or does it matter? Okay, I'll ask Leanna what she wants to do. Miss Belcher, I'm putting the adjournment on for Ashley Robinson Henderson to January the 14th. Do you care what time it's at?
No, Your Honor, I'll make it work.
I'll just do 9:30.
Thank you, Your Honor. And then I'm negotiating with Mr. Kaplan right now for Miss Moore.
Okay, I've got a couple other people waiting to talk to you.
Okay.
Did you need me to put you in a breakout room with them, or are you good?
I have him on the cell. He's on my cell phone right now. He's looking up the report. We could do Miss Wade's really fast if you want. We're setting her for trial.
People versus Lori Wade. What kind of a trial?
Good morning, Your Honor. Leanna Belcher on behalf of Miss Wade. We're requesting a jury trial.
Okay, and I have her cell phone number, Miss Wade, 559-4121, area code 734. Correct? You gotta unmute yourself. That's okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
And then Miss Sandy 2012@yahoo.com,
Yes, Your Honor.
15073 Pond Way in Romulus.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Then you're all set for today.
Okay, thank you.
You're
And if-
welcome.
The Christine's iPhone, if that's Christine.
It is Christine Wells.
We're setting her for jury trial as well, Your Honor.
Miss Wells, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
And I have a cell phone of 248-818-4841.
Yes, ma'am.
An
Your
X.
Honor, I would ask if I could just confirm her information by email. I do have all her contact information. She did move. There's an issue with her and the complainant, and I know we're on YouTube right now. I just don't want her.
All right,
you know.
that's fine.
Okay.
All right, I'll make a notation to set for jury trial. Make sure you confirm it and get that with Heather.
I will. Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank
You're
you.
all set. And then I have Mr. Hurt who wants to talk to you.
Is it Brenda Moore?
It is Brenda Moore. No, it's Sonia Moore. Or actually not Mr. Hurt, I apologize. It's Iana Amos that needs to talk to you, Ms. Belcher.
Okay, as soon as I'm done with Mr. Kaplan on the phone, I'll finish up with Miss Moore and then.
And then I have a phone number ending 6592. What case are you on? Can you hear me?
Hello? Yes.
Hi, good morning. What case are you on?
I'm Mr. Hurt.
Oh, you're on two. I got you. Your audio says that it's connecting still. Mr. Hurt, let me go ahead and pull your file. I have your case is a fail to stop an ID after an accident. There's an offer to amend it to a fail to report. You can either take that offer. I can have you talk to the court-appointed attorney if you want to discuss what that means.
Yes, please, Your Honor. I'd like to talk to her.
Okay, give me just a couple minutes. She's negotiating something else, and then we'll do your case. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you much.
Oh, my God.
Mr. Stagnolia, can you hear me? Mr. Brian Stagnolia, can you hear me?
I don't know what I did. Oh, my God.
Judge, Mr. Stagnolia is one of my clients. I've been trying to get in contact with him. His number is disconnected that's provided to the court. So if he's able to answer, the last time he was on with you, he was the one who was on all day and we couldn't get a response out of him. So hopefully if he connects, I can speak with him.
Okay.
And I was able
Collins.
to get an offer for Miss Moore. Could you put me back in a breakout room with her, Judge, so I can go over that with her?
Miss Moore, can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
I'm gonna put you back in a breakout room with Miss Belcher, and then I'll see you in a few minutes.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. And then Miss Collins, I don't see your name on my docket. What are you here for?
It's Williams Dash Collins.
Okay, thank you. That would be why. Although I'm still not finding you, I don't think. What time is your case set for?
9, but I was in the wrong courtroom. I had to call the court.
What, I don't have you listed at all. What's the case?
It was an accident I had in Huron Township.
Oh, you're in the wrong place again. I'm Romulus today. Yeah, it's okay. That's okay. Heather.
They didn't send me a link, and I don't know. Is it at the Huron court?
No. Heather, who's doing Huron today? Judge Oakley? Look up in the calendar and make sure that Miss Williams Collins is listed with Judge Oakley. I think what I'm going to tell you to do is, do you know how to dial in on Zoom?
No.
Okay,
No.
that's okay. That's okay. If you go through our website for hearings, you can click on courtroom number 2, which is where Judge Oakley is. But let me
Okay.
verify that that's where you're going.
Okay, thank you.
I was gonna give you, if you could dial it in and hit join, then I could give you a direct number to dial, but if you don't know how to do that. Do you know what I mean? When your Zoom screen comes up,
Uh-huh.
it says, let me show you. Hang on. Are you doing it on your phone?
You want me to get on my phone?
No. I said, are you doing it on your
Oh,
phone?
no, I'm on my laptop.
Oh, okay, well, same thing. See the little button, whoops. See the little button that says join?
Mm-hmm.
When you open up Zoom, it has that button. If you click on that, you can put in the phone number and it'll go right to Judge Oakley. So
Okay,
if you want, I'll give you the phone number and you can try to get in that way. Otherwise, it's good. Oh, never mind. Wait a second. She's saying it's an informal hearing.
What does that mean?
That means it's not Judge Oakley.
Okay.
That means, Heather, am I right on the Zoom that Al's using is the 818-664-4398? Do you know?
Don't go far.
Hello? Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, hang on just a second.
All right, sorry, miss. I just couldn't hear nothing and I got to
Yeah,
figure.
that's okay. That's okay.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. It's the courtroom 1 number. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and I don't know what the courtroom 1 number is. So
I did click on that. That's where I was in at first, and when no one came after.
Oh yeah, no, you were in the right place. So go back to that. Go back to that. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Miss Belcher.
Yes,
What's
Your Honor.
going on?
Ms. Moore is going to be tendering a plea to an added count of disorderly person with a 3-month delayed sentence, with the original charge being dismissed.
Do you understand that by pleading guilty to this, Ms. Moore, that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advisor rights form? Did you say 3 months?
Yes, 3 months.
Ms. Moore, do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. Your Honor, would it be too much to ask for an adjournment right now, and still have that plea on the table?
We could adjourn, Ms. Moore.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because I would like to explore my other options. Then I do get other cases with 34. So I want to see if maybe
I see that you have actually it says that you have, do you have it today?
Yes.
Okay, go sign into Judge Oakley. I'll adjourn this to January the 14th at 9:30. Let me ask you a couple questions. Give me a cell phone number, and it is your address 14614 Wildbrook in Van Buren?
That's correct.
Okay, give me your cell phone number and your email.
Okay, yes. Cell phone number starting with area code 734-583-8267.
And an email?
Yes, it's going to be my first and last name, Sonia Moore, 058, and I'm at gmail.com.
Perfect. All right. We will send you notice. It's going to be January the 14th at 9:30, and Ms. Belcher will be on the case. Go ahead and sign into Judge Oakley's, and you're all set for today with us.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Now, Ms. Belcher, Mr. Cipriani has missed. Oh, I have Ayana Amos, who I'm going to put you in a breakout room with. Miss Amos, you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hang on just a second. Miss Belcher, can you go back into breakout room 2?
Yes, Judge, going now.
Go ahead and hit join, Miss Amos. And then Mr. Reams, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Good morning, Mr. Reams. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. There's no, oh, actually, there is an offer for a deferred sentence on this case. If you want to take that plea, or if you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney, as soon as she gets back out, I can put you in a breakout room with her.
Yeah, because I talked to Bree yesterday about it, and she said she was dropping charges, and she talked to the.
Okay. Well, let me let you talk to Miss Belcher. Give us a couple minutes, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Just hang out. Mr. Stegnolia, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
You
Or yes.
can. Oh, yay. Okay, well, good. All right. You need to talk to Miss Belcher when we get her, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. It looks like there's a offer for a deferred sentence on your case. You hang out. I'll put you in a breakout room with her in just a couple minutes, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Perfect. Dewan Williams, can you hear me, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I can hear you.
You have 2 charges, a fail to stop and a driving unsuspended. It looks like they're making an offer of, if you plead guilty to the driving unsuspended, and they'll amend the other charge to a fail to report. You want to talk to the court-appointed attorney about what your options are?
Yes.
Okay, hang out and you're in line. There's just a couple people in front of you, and then I'll do your case, okay?
Okay.
So everybody just hang out for a few minutes. We're just waiting.
They're talking about it. Hit my name and select up here. All right, so this one, I should just wipe it right away. It's a ticket. I mean, I had drunken disorders. Threw it out. Oh, I know every ball, every city's different, but don't even go there. City. I don't know what it was about 6 months ago. No, 4 months.
You have Joe.
So, I'm just hoping that today, my last day with this. I'll be done with all course. Well, until Dearborn or something. But you, maybe. I mean, that's Southgate. I did Southgate yesterday, Monday. That was the dumb one. I mean, I should have went to trial, but I mean, this is I don't spend any more money. I mean, I should have amateur voted. I'd have beat it. I did. Oh, they had 500. Top of it. I just don't let the headache go. I ain't believing nothing. I ain't getting nothing. What? I ain't going anymore. See, like you like this. I don't care about anything else. In the counselor, sure.
Good morning, Mr. Mays. How are you?
Good morning, Judge.
I have your client on, Mr. Cipriani's in the, I don't know if he's in your upper left, he's in my upper left. Mr. Kaplan on People versus Michael Cipriani. I have a motion to suppress the data master that was filed by Mr. Mays. Mr. Mays, just out of curiosity, I know Judge Oakley has a series of these, although it's regarding Hurons, which I don't know if the facts are similar to Hurons versus Romulus's or not. I think Huron had different issues, but this is the first Romulus one that I've seen. When is that case being heard?
The 17th of December. But Judge, I don't think we're going to argue this motion. What I was going to talk with Mr. Kaplan about this morning, Mr. Cipriani is currently unemployed because of COVID. He's fighting to get money. And so we were hoping to adjourn this matter over 6 weeks.
Oh yeah, I can adjourn it to the January, I have a January 14th date with Mr. Kaplan.
Okay.
Your Honor, I believe if we do the adjournment, I think Mr. Mays and I will be able to work out a resolution on this.
Yeah, so Judge,
That's
don't.
fine. Well, let me check. Mr. Cipriani, is your address still? Okay, Mr. Stagnolia, I know that we can hear you now after I sat through a morning the other last time that I couldn't hear you at all. Can you mute yourself, please? Thank you. I appreciate that. Mr. Cipriani, is your address the 2301 Northeast 16th Street, Apartment 8A in Papano Beach?
Yes, ma'am, it is. Temporary for now. But like I said, I'm not struggling severely. I'm out of work.
Okay.
I called Mr. Mays yesterday. I tried to beg, borrow, and I cannot come up with this.
Okay, no. I want
to abide my best by the court system and to resolve this.
Don't. I'm just trying to get contact. If I'm going to adjourn it to January the 14th at 10 a.m., Mr. Mays. Mr. Cipriani, can I get a cell phone number and an email from you?
Yes, ma'am. My email is Michael, MICHAEL, CIP0127 at Yahoo. And I no longer have my phone because I couldn't afford the bill. That's how.
Okay. Do you have a relative or a family member that has a cell that I can put
this is the cell phone I can provide for you right now. 954-638-8860.
And whose number is that?
My girlfriend's.
Okay, perfect. All right, Mr. Cipriani, we're going to look at that January 14th date. Mr. Mays will be in contact with you and have a conversation about it, okay?
Thank you so much,
and
Judge.
Good luck with work.
Thank you, Mr. Mays. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. Ms. Belcher. Oh, we don't have her back yet. I thought we did. Oh, there you are. Ms. Belcher, Ayanna Amos, what, did you have a conversation with her?
I did, Your Honor. There are a lot of moving pieces to this case. The complainants may not be willing to go forward at this point. There's also some documentation she's going to provide to me that I want to show to Mr. Kaplan in case they are willing to go forward so that we could possibly negotiate something better. If not, we'll be setting it for trial, but at this point, we'll just be requesting an adjournment to January 14th.
I'll do it January 14th at 9:40. Miss Amos, can I get a cell phone number? Is your address 8107 Honeysuckle Lane? And
No, ma'am.
What's the address?
It's 172 Emerald, EMERALD ISLE Drive.
Yes. What city?
Oh, Moncks Corner, South Carolina.
How do you spell Moncks Corner?
Yes, MONCKS.
Corner, like in
Yeah, like a corner.
of the room?
Yeah.
All one word, right?
2 words.
Oh, Moncks Corner. Okay.
And then
Moncks Corner, North Carolina?
South Carolina.
South Carolina. Zip code?
29.
Make sure.
461 29461.
29461. Now give me a cell phone and an email.
734 358 1139.
And an email.
My email is my full name, Ayana Amos 1 at yahoo.com.
Got it. All right, we will see you in January.
Okay.
Okay?
Is it the same kind on Zoom?
It's going to be the same email. I mean, the same Zoom. It's going to be back with me. So you'll come in, however you got here, that's how you'll get here in January. Okay?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, good. Have a good day. Thank you.
Your Honor, I think Joshua Reams is going to be a dismissal. Is that still correct, Josh?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I have him. I talked to him for a second. Let me do that then. People versus Joshua Reams.
Leanna Belcher on behalf of Mr. Reams. It's my understanding that the prosecutor will be dismissing this case.
He actually had mentioned that that's what he thought too, and I told him to wait for you.
Yes.
Is that correct, Mr. Kaplan?
Yes, Your Honor, I did speak to the complaining witness in this case. I did explain that this can be reissued, but at this time, she does not want to follow through with this case and continue.
All right, it's dismissed. You're all set, Mr. Reams.
And Mr. Reams, I would change your Zoom photo, sir, when you're on pause. I'll text you.
Okay, thank you.
Whatever you're talking about, lucky I didn't notice. All right, you're all set, Mr. Reams.
Thank you.
People versus Timothy Hurt. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Hurt, Ms. Belcher. And yes, I have talked to Mr. Stagnola, and we have a voice with him, so he'll be next.
Perfect. And then with Mr. Williams, I resolved his case with a plea. I don't know if you want to do that really fast.
He is, yeah. I put him in line to Mr. Williams, Dejon Williams. People versus Dejon Williams. What are we doing with that?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Mr. Kaplan is going to amend his offer. He's going to allow Mr. Williams to plead to the reduced count of failure to report with all other charges being dismissed.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Is it okay? Then, Mr. Williams, you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advisor rights form?
Yes.
And is it true that on or about August the 30th of this year that you had an accident, you failed to report it?
Yes.
The failed to report is a $200 ticket. The state adds $145 for a total of $345. Do you need time to pay that?
Yes.
Can you do a $50 a month payment plan?
Yes.
Is your address 18623 Green Lawn Street in Detroit?
Yes.
And a cell phone number of 313-854-0531?
Yep. That's still the same number.
Okay, and then the email, which I'm gonna have to write on this file because someone didn't update the system, is 195.will@gmail.com.
Yes.
Perfect. We will send you a $50 a month payment plan, make the payments, and then you'll be done with us, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Belcher, with Mr. Hurt and then Mr. Stagnolia.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you can still go into, no, apparently you can't. Let's
No,
delete.
it's closed now.
Yeah, here, now I can do that. Okay. Mr. Hurt, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, ma'am.
You're gonna hit join and go in and talk to Miss Belcher.
Okay. Ma'am, I don't have no video on the phone here. I don't know why, but
Yeah, can you, so you can't hit join? Can you hit join?
I am very computer literate. I don't know.
Okay, did a little icon come up that says join?
Let's see. No, nope. I don't see it.
Let's see.
I'm on the phone, not a
Yeah, no, I
computer.
see that. Is your phone number, give me your phone number.
It's 734-629-6592.
I'm gonna actually have her call you because, hang on a second. Let me see if I can grab her back out of the breakout room. No, let me go in and give it to her and I'm gonna have her call you. Hang on. All right, Mr. Hurt, go ahead and hang up. She's gonna call you right now. Answer your phone and then
Okay.
We'll just do you on speaker, okay?
Okay, thank you much, dear.
You're welcome.
I'm
I'll
sorry.
talk to you in a minute.
I'm used to talking to my wife.
No,
All right,
you're
thank
good.
you.
I'll talk to you in a minute. Go ahead and hang up so she can
Okay.
call you. Okay, bye. And then Mr. Stagnolia, you're next.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Here. You turn it down.
Mr. Elgis, what case are you on?
I am on the case 20 VB 04726.
You're in the wrong place. Hang on just a second.
Yep.
Mr. Elgis, did you say it's a Van Buren case?
It is a Van Buren case.
Heather, oh, it's an informal. Okay, you need to, did you join through the website?
I did.
You need to go to the magistrate's site or courtroom 1 or the magistrate, okay?
Okay, so courtroom 1?
Is that what it is, Heather, on the website? Is it courtroom 1 or magistrate? What does it say?
I believe it is courtroom 1.
Yeah, it's courtroom 1.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Mr. McGinnis.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good.
I have an offer from the prosecution that if you plead to a double parking, it's a $300 ticket and the other case will be dismissed. It's actually would be $345, including your clearance. Are you interested in taking that deal, or do you want to talk to, the court-appointed attorney?
No, I'm interested in taking that deal.
Okay, then I'm gonna amend it to double parking. It's $345 with the clearance.
Okay.
Do you need time to pay that?
Yes, I do.
Do you need a payment plan, or do you just want like 30 days or something?
I want a payment plan because I'm already on a payment plan with you guys for another case.
Okay, what's your payment plan right now?
$50 a month. I get my first payment like at the
Got
end of
it. I'll add this to the $50 a month payment plan.
Okay.
Is your address 7785 Surrey in Romulus?
Yes, that's me.
Phone number of 734-286-4606?
Yep, that's me.
Email address of mcginn4president@hmail.com?
Gmail.
Gmail, yeah, I figured. So Heather, we got to change that to Gmail. Got it.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, then you're all set. We'll send you a payment plan, okay? Or we'll add that into your payment plan, okay?
Okay, cool.
Perfect. Thanks. Have a great day. You're all set.
Thank you.
Mr. Hurt, Ms. Belcher, what'd you figure out?
Yes, Your Honor. I have Mr. Hurt on the phone. Mr. Hurt, state your name for the judge.
It's Timothy Hurt.
Your Honor, he's going to be pleading to failure to report with the failure to stop after property damage accident dismissed. He does want the court to know about his situation before imposing fines and costs, that he does collect SSI. He had some toes removed. He needs a triple bypass. He has heart disease. So he has very limited income and a lot of health problems.
Any suggestions, Mr. Kaplan?
No, Your Honor, I leave that to your discretion, to the judge's discretion.
Mr. Hurt, you understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice rights form?
Yes, I do,
And
Your Honor.
is it true that apparently you must have been at Block's greenhouse and that you failed to report an accident that you had?
Yes. It's a long story
No,
behind that.
she doesn't need a story.
Yeah.
With his health, with the understanding of his health conditions, Ms. Belcher, I'll waive fines and costs on this file and just take the plea.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You're all set, Mr. Hurt.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Ms. Belcher, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Stagnolia.
All right, bye, Mr. Hurt.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ms. Belcher, you still should be able to join breakout room number 3.
I can, Your Honor. I'm going in now.
Mr. Stagnolia, just hit join to breakout room number 3.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And on the iPhone, can I get your last name?
Sure. Hold on 1 second. I'm sorry. I
You're
can't
fine.
hear. What? Hello?
Good morning. What's your last name?
Good morning. My last name is Kenteria Ireland.
Last name of Ireland. Well, your last name is just Ireland, probably.
Sorry. I was
That's
so
okay.
confused. I was trying to get on
You're
here.
good. You're good. Miss Ireland, I have a offer from it looks like from the prosecution that if you plead to a careless accident and a fail to report, that they'll dismiss the driving unsuspended and the failure to stop. Do you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney about what that means for you?
Yes.
Hang on just for a minute and I'll have her talk to you next. People versus Kenyatta Demobren. Can you hear me, Ms. Demobren? You got to unmute yourself. Hello? Can you hear me?
Me?
No, not you. Just mute yourself and hang out for a few minutes. Miss Demobren? Apparently not.
Judge, could I be put back in with Mr. Stagnolia? We got kicked out.
Yes.
Thank you.
How come here again?
Ma'am, that just joined us, what's your last name? You got to unmute yourself.
Ireland?
No, I got you, Miss Ireland. Thanks.
Lee.
What's the last name?
Lee.
What's the first name?
Corinne.
Miss Lee, you're not on my docket. Heather, you want to look her up?
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, okay. It says she's telling me that your case was dismissed.
Okay.
So you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Try again, Miss Dem O'Brien. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Miss Dem O'Brien.
Hello?
Yes, okay, I can hear you now. Good morning, how are you?
I can't hear you.
I know you can't see me, but you can hear me, right?
Yes.
I'll come here for me.
Not you, Mr. Hilgendorf. Just hang on for a minute. Miss Dem O'Brien, can you hear me okay? Kenita, is it Kenita?
I can't hear you that clearly. I turned up the volume. I don't know.
Okay, I'm probably gonna have the court-appointed attorney call you, okay? So just hang out for a few minutes. I have a phone number for you, so I'm gonna have somebody call you, but just hang out. Mr. Hilgendorf. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Let me pull your file. Hang on a second. I have a offer from the prosecution that if you plead to double parking and pay a $300 ticket, the other charge will be dismissed. Is that something that you're interested in doing, or would you like to talk to the court-appointed attorney?
I don't understand. Can you repeat the offer?
It's for a double parking. It's a parking ticket. It doesn't go on your driving record, but you'd have to pay $300.
And that waives the misdemeanor?
That's correct.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I'll amend it to a double parking, assess the $300. Do you need time to pay that?
I can do it online today.
That's fine, and then you'll be done with us.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye. All right, Leanne, Leanna, did you get Mr. Stagnolia situated or whatever?
Yes, Your Honor. He's going to be tendering a plea that is written off. The only change is it's going to be 9 months instead of 12 months on 771.1.
Okay. And you understand by pleading guilty that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it true that on or about July the 20th of this year, you were in Romulus and you were acting in a disorderly fashion?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you say UA 9 months?
9 months is the only modification, Your Honor. Your Honor, are you going to be sentencing him today?
I'm just applying the bond.
Okay.
There's a bond on the file. I'm going to apply the bond, stay out of trouble, Mr. Stagnolia, and we'll dismiss it in 9 months.
Thank you, Your Honor. And
You're
I'm sorry.
welcome.
Can
You're
I get
welcome.
updated contact information if you want that, Your Honor?
Oh, I have. Oh, if it's updated, it's not. I have a cell phone number of 313-955-0886.
That's a bad number for him. I've been unable to get in contact. It's 313-856-8243.
856-8243. And then I have an email though of Heather Stagnolia at Yahoo.
He gave me. Go ahead, Mr. Stagnolia.
Is that all right if she uses that? Because that's my sister's.
That's fine. We can leave that. All right. You're all set, Mr. Stagnolia. No trouble for 9 months and it'll be dismissed.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. And thank
You're
you.
welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah.
I have Miss Ireland on. I also have Miss Demogrand, who I need you to call her. Hers is if you can, because she's on here, but she's having a little bit of trouble hearing. There's the offer of double parking, so it'd be $300.
Okay, what's the number?
Will you call her 586-944-1380?
I'm sorry, it cut out.
Sorry, 586-944-1380.
1380.
If you call her right now, and then Miss Ireland will do you next. Just hang out for just a couple more minutes. And then you can just put her on speaker, Miss Belcher.
I will, Your Honor. 586. Hello. Okay. Judge?
Yes?
I have her on the phone.
Okay. People versus Kenyatta Demogrand.
Demogrand.
Thank you. Demogrand. I apologize. I have that the offer is a double parking $300 and the other case will be dismissed. Is that what she wants to do?
Are you wanting to take advantage of that offer? That's the 0-point civil infraction with the fine.
I didn't know what was this because I never heard of this case.
Okay. Your Honor, would it be possible?
It's a threats case from 2016 that involved an incident at 30427 Teak Lane.
Mm-hmm.
It was cussing at the management, threatening to do bodily harm.
Oh, okay. She had got into it with my daughter, and they wrote both of us.
So what they're willing to do is dismiss that and offer you a civil infraction. It's non-abstractable. It doesn't go on your record in that sense. It's just a fine, no point civil.
And I would make it instead of 300, it happened 4 years ago. I'll drop it down to $200 for the double parking.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, is that what you want to do?
Sure.
Okay, do you need time to pay that?
Yes.
Can you do $50 a month?
Yes.
And then your cell phone I got is your email address, your last name, first name at Gmail?
Yes.
All right, we'll send you a payment plan. You're all set. Make the payments and you'll be done with us.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. All right, now I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Ireland, Miss Belcher. I finally am ready for you, Miss Ireland. I apologize. You should be able to go into
breakout room 4.
Yes, you can. All right, Miss Ireland, just hit join. Mr. Duncan, what case are you on?
John Hilgendorf.
What's the last name?
Hilgendorf,
What time is it set at?
1010.
Oh, uh-oh. Whoops. We did Mr. Hilgendorf's case, and he didn't mention that you were on it. Well, that's, hang on a second.
Well, Josh
They
knows I'm
offered
on
him
it.
a double parking. He offered
Okay.
him a double parking. I apologize, Mr. Duncan.
Okay, Josh was on it. Well, Josh knew I was on it.
I wasn't on Zoom. for the
Don't even
police.
admit
I
that
didn't
you're
hear.
not paying attention, Mr. Kaplan.
All right.
Never will, Your Honor.
It was my fault, Mr. Duncan. I told him what the offer was and he goes, okay, I'll take that. And I
Okay.
didn't even look at the docket. I
All
just
right.
pulled the file.
I'm going to call him now.
I
Thank you.
apologize.
Thank you.
Mr. Perlman, what case are you on? Mr. Perlman. Apparently, we're not going to get anywhere. We'll wait for a minute.
Yes.
Sorry, Miss Belcher, I had to do a search warrant.
Oh, it's okay. I got kicked out rather quickly. I am
Oh.
on the phone with Mr. Kaplan, so
Yeah.
if you give me a second and to renegotiate with him, if possible, then I can speak with Miss Ireland again.
Okay, perfect. Yep, just scream and let me know. Mr. Perlman, what case are you on? Apparently you're in another courtroom.
Your Honor, I'm ready for a breakout room with Miss Ireland whenever you get a minute.
Okay, perfect. Hang on just a second. All right, Miss Ireland, we'll try it again. Nah. I messed it up. Hang on a second. Okay, now, Miss Ireland, go in with Miss Belcher. Hit join.
And Your Honor, Mr. Perlman should be here for Avanti Jones Bilal for driving with lights suspended.
Yep, okay. As soon as he jumps on, I don't know, his client hasn't joined yet. But Heather thought I already did that case. She sent me a message that said, you already did it. I'm like, I didn't do that case. So Heather's not paying attention today either. All right, Ms. Belcher, did you have enough time with her?
Yes, Judge, we're ready. She's going to be tendering a plea to failure to report with all other counts being dismissed.
Is that
That
your
is correct, Your Honor.
understanding, Miss Ireland?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand that by pleading guilty to the fail to report that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advisor rights form? And is it true that on or about September the 26th, you were in the city of Romulus, you had an accident, you didn't report it?
Yes, Your Honor.
It
Your Honor,
is-
I apologize, Your Honor. As part of this plea, any restitution would be reserved and to be determined by probation, should there be any.
I'm not, then I'm gonna we don't send a fail to report to probation, Mr. Kaplan.
Okay. All right.
I mean, if you want to reach out and find out if there's, I mean, that's your job. So if you want to reach out and find out if there's something that needs to be, and then we can send a note and we can set it for a restitution hearing.
Okay, Your Honor, then I'd request a restitution hearing on this matter.
I'll have, that means you're not going to do it. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Your Honor, I mean, I'll reach out to, either we can do a set of restitution, I'll reach out, or we can adjourn this so I can try to speak to the victim on this case again.
Okay, well, why don't we do that then? Ms. Belcher, is that satisfactory?
That's fine, Your Honor. Are we going to come back on the 14th?
Yep, I'll adjourn it to January the 14th
Okay.
at 9:50.
Miss Ireland, the plea would be the same. The only thing he's trying to determine is if there's any money that would be owed to the person whose car you allegedly hit.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Miss Ireland, I don't have either. Can I get a cell phone number from you and an email?
Yes. My cell phone number is 313-926-7528. My email is tiny, TINY, TIOVANI @gmail.com.
And are you, is your physical address the 11501 Petoskey Avenue, apartment 330 in Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Perfect. All right, we'll send you a notice. We'll see you in January.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Ms. Belcher, hang out. We don't have anything else right this second.
I'll be here.
Hello, this is Attorney Jeff Perlman on Jones. May I go in a breakout room with Ms. Belcher?
Why do you want to go into a breakout room with Ms. Belcher?
It's a matter that's up for today, and I just haven't had a chance to speak to her about the case. To speak to the prosecutor about the case.
Ms. Belcher is not the prosecutor.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Ms. Belcher is the MIDC attorney.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Kaplan.
Very well. Okay.
Well, actually, I don't even think it's necessary. The offer is double parking, Mr. Perlman.
Double parking. Okay.
It's a $300 ticket. Are you
Yes.
interested in taking that on behalf of your client?
Yes.
I'll amend it to a double parking. It's actually $345 with his clearance.
Very well.
Just make
Thank
sure he pays it within 30 days.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
This karma stuff on here.
Good morning, sir. What's your last name?
Hunter, Hunter.
Kenneth?
Yes, ma'am.
Hang on a second. Let me pull your file.
Okay.
Mr. Hunter, I have a bunch of files that you owe us money on, or a couple files that you owe us money on, and then this driving on suspended, the offer is that it's a double parking, which would be $300 plus the clearance of $45. And then I could send everything to collections. Looks like the 2 civil infractions you owe about $900. So the total on everything would be about $1,000, and we could give you a $50 a month payment plan.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, that's
And then this to a double parking, it's $345 with the clearance. Can you pay $50 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
Hang on just a second. Oh, do you have an attorney?
Yeah, I don't know. I think it was in the wrong room.
Hang on a second. I'm being told by, hang on.
Okay.
Mr. Davis,
Good morning.
I just tried to take the plea without you.
Oh, did you?
Sorry about that.
No problem.
And Heather, my imaginary friend was, because I already took a plea this morning from another case that had an attorney. When the defendants don't tell me, I've been lousy.
Okay.
Although Mr. Hunter was so excited about the deal, he was ready to do it without you.
Was he?
Yeah, he was. He's laughing on there. So I was in the middle of taking the plea and giving him a payment plan, and Heather was all caps texting me. He has an attorney, So sorry about that. What the deal is, he owes 2 civil infractions that are old files from 2016. I'm going to give him a payment plan on that. The driving on suspended, the offers a double parking. I said it's $345 with the clearance.
Okay.
And then I'll give him a $50 a month payment plan on everything.
Okay. Yeah, that works for us.
Okay, good. All right, Mr. Hunter, and you understand that by pleading that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice rights form, and you're going to plead to the double parking.
Yes, ma'am.
And as I was discussing, it's $345, including the clearance. You have 3 clearances. I don't know what your driver's license status is, but you can pay the FACs at any time. It's 3 of them, so it's $135. So at any time you want to make those paying, I don't know if you can get a driver's license or not, but we're going to put you on a $50 a month payment plan. Let me check your, and I don't have either. Can I get a cell phone number and an email, and we'll send you a payment plan?
Cell phone numbers 313
Okay.
574 9685.
9685, and an email?
It's the word agent, AGENT, KEN, the number 1 at gmail.com.
Perfect. We'll send you a $50 a month payment plan with it all written out. Make the payments, and you'll be done with us.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great day, Mr. Davis.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Davis.
Good morning, sir. What's your last name? Can you hear me? What's your last name, sir? Hello? Did you hit connect with audio? I have a gentleman on, Leanna, but I don't, he doesn't have audio. I'm not sure who he is.
I'm sending him a message to connect the audio.
Oh, thanks.